Alright, so here's another mystery box for the Pistol Summer Blowout. I got number 14. Let's see what's in here. Boring there, Sharpie. Alright. Please be something at least of good value. Please, please, please. Oh, hey, I got a high kappa. I'm gonna need to ask about it. Wait, I think this is one of the higher end one. I'm gonna have to go ask Uncle about it. So be right back. Alright, so we're checking out this high kappa I got. I don't know which one it is, but I was looking down there. Might not be what I would want.
This is this one, the one at the bottom. It's a different color, that's all. This is 1911 that you can put a flashlight.
Oh, dang.
And a sight. Okay.
So it's this high kappa. Got the fiber sights on it. Got the nice trigger. Got the 1911 like stuff on it. And it looks like it has an extended barrel on it too. Extended barrel, comes with a magazine. Got the quick mag load.
Do you want a holster on like a vest, or you want a holster on the belt?
This goes on the belt, right?
That goes on the belt. Or
This has a...
inside your
Wait, what is this?
inside your
I think this is a ready dot sight, actually. That you can put a red dot on the
Shove it in. 911.
on the high kappa. Oh yeah, so the other things that it came with was, more patches from Toronto Airsoft, G&G armament. I don't know why in a TM thing, but this is a pretty cool patch.
especially if it's
There's a magazine. Being a high kappa, it should carry a lot.
now so.
That extended barrel on it. Seems pretty cool. We'll note back more later.